Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your preferred means of transportations on the Translink NI application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then go to your home page and click on this menu icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the scroll down and click on the journey preferences section. How can I adjust the app to my needs? Then go to the first section at the top, allowed means of transportation, so you can set the route type, quickest connection, fewer interchanges, or least walking. Then you can set the bus and the train options by tapping on the relevant buttons in order to enable them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.